Hi, my name is Jesse and I'm in my second year of mechanical engineering. My big idea is to introduce a universal interface for charging battery packs on alternative methods of electric transportation such as e-bikes and electric skateboards. Basically, this would standardize the connectors, which would allow for universal charging stations to be implemented and step towards wider adoption. Last summer I built an electric skateboard and this is my story. The range of electric vehicles is still somewhat of a contentious issue, and carrying a charging adapter for my skateboard was a hassle. You'll notice that they use proprietary charging connectors, so they aren't cross-compatible. The goal would be to create a universal connector similar to how micro USB is the standard for most phones, or how J1772 is the standard for electric cars. By setting one universal standard for these connectors, it makes cables interchangeable and also opens up new opportunities such as public charging stations for your skateboard or e-bike. Hopefully this would be one step towards promoting greener, alternative methods of transportation. From my experience on Solar Car, I learned a lot about the potential of electric vehicles, and I do believe that they are the future. I find electric vehicles fascinating, and the opportunity to visit Tesla would certainly be a unique opportunity to gain insight about this field from leading innovators, and also maybe meet Elon Musk. To recap, I am proposing a universal standard for charging battery packs on vehicles such as e-bikes and electric skateboards to promote more accessible charging and wider adoption. Thank you for watching.